What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And y'all remember this. So I really ain't been like trying to rush to get nothing from myself unless I really like it. But this is the Jordan 4 Thunders in the PS or GS sizing for my son. I'll do, when they come out like regular release day, I'll do the review. But here's a 360 view of them now. As promised, the Air Jordan 4 Thunder. And I'm a sneakerhead, but I still don't know why they call these things Thunder. I mean, I remember the Tour de Yellow, the Tour de France had the whole yellow situation, but I gotta look up why these are called Thunder. Not OKC. If you know in the comment section below, let me know why these are called Thunder. But these are one of the retros I had to get in hand, man. Like, I think besides the shattered backboards, the Thunder colorway is like, gotta be the second best non-OG colorway for Jordan. Besides the shattered backboards. Y'all let me know what y'all feel is your favorite non-OG colorway. But every time this yellow and black silhouette come out, we go crazy. These came out 10 years ago. But that was like a limited release, so I think that's why these are the only Jordan GR general release that sold out this year. Everything else, straight to cart. Everything else. I still can't believe True Blues went straight to cart. These are the OG ones, though, as you see the Nike Air on the back. But I can't believe the retro ones that came out a couple of weeks ago still went straight to cart. But, on first glance, the color is crazy. I like the way this yellow is popping up. You know I'm a Laker fan. It's closer to that yellow than I thought. These are fire. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. I should have got these to y'all a little earlier. I should have did this review, but allergies been killing me. Lakers in the playoffs, and I went to Vegas. And check out some of these fits, man. I finally got a chance to un-DS some of these sneakers that have been sitting here. I was killing them. But we're here to talk about the Thunders. Let's unbox them. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get that black box with like darker, glossy black, jet black sparkles all on it. But the flight sign up here with the yellow Jordan Jumpman is dope to me, man. I like this year Jordan brand's been going out with the box, man. Even on the back where all the bells and whistles is, you get a yellow Jumpman logo there. So I really like it. The tag reads, Air Jordan 4 Retro, black, white, tour yellow. As simple as it gets. When you flip open the lid, you get that same Spartacool print paper there. Usually you see on the threes. And let's start with the left shoe. And here's a 360 view of the Jordan 4 Thunder, Tour Yellow, Taxi, Wu-Tang, whatever you want to call them. So let's start with the toe box. Jet black nubuck. You see it's got like some stains on it already, man. I hate that about the nubuck. That's going to happen when it's jet black. When it's more of that like light black, dusty black, you really don't see the cuff stains or the dirt stains, but you got jet black all through the sneaker, man. I do love jet black. Just with nubuck, it gets dirty fast, man. But the yellow hits around it, it just makes the sneaker pop. So again, jet black suede nubuck at the top. You get to the bottom, you got that rubber jet black. All stars are present at the bottom around there. Yellow creeps in here. You know the Jordan 4 silhouette. So wherever you usually see gray at, like on the breads, that's where the yellow is. Super dope. Got an air bubble here. Come all the way around. Air bubble on the inside. This yellow is beautiful, guys. It reminds me of the Taxi Jordan 1s a lot in that aspect. But let's keep going up on the tongue. You also got that UNBOX suede on the tongue, which is super dope. Black shoelaces, indigo your toy yellow hit eyelids. I read somewhere these are called PTU eyelids. I really don't know. That's probably the technology. But the eyelids pop, man, with all this black. Then you got that hornet net look that you get on the Jordan 4s. This time it looks more like a bumblebee or beehive with the yellow behind the black netting. Super dope. Now we got to talk about the elephant in the room. And that's the Jumpman on the back. Y'all know I would prefer Nike Air on the booty, man. But I knew these sneakers were still going to be sought after because of the colorway. And the last time we seen it was 2006. So I knew people was going to jump on it. But, man, Nike Air on the booty would have pushed these to a higher other level. Let's get into the inside. You got a black inside with a white Jordan, man. I feel like the insole should have been yellow too, but that's how they decided to package this one. You get to the bottom, you got a mini Jumpman. And I was shocked to see more black on the bottom than yellow, but you only got that little speck of yellow there with an all black bottom with a little baby Jordan Jumpman there. This was the left. Here go the right. Nothing's changed on the sneaker from inside out. Everything remains the same. Yes, sir. So priced at $210. I think it came to like $223 for me. New York with sales tax and all that. I think the quality is dope for a sneaker that's only $220. I got them from Finish Line early. Finish Line been hooking me up with the status things. But to be honest, they've been hooking me up with the status things since it started. But I didn't know how to use it. So now I just wait to get the email. I don't wait in that busy line all day. I wait to get the email and then I cop if I really want the sneaker. I knew this sneaker was going to be one of those that sold out this year. Just because the last time we seen it was 2006. The jet black nubuck. I just swear if it had Nike Air, these sneakers would have been out of here, man. But let me know in the comment section below, did y'all cop? How y'all feeling about them? I feel like Jordan 4s are one of the more comfortable sneakers to me as I got older. So that's why I still climb towards them. I do have a hotter style coming soon. I'll get to that soon. But hope for the Lakers to win tonight, man. And if you didn't get a pair, go to GOAT or StockX right now and you're looking at maybe $20 over retail. Like I told you, $223 here. I see them on StockX for like $240, $248. So they're gettable, man. They only gonna go up, barring a restock. I know GS sizes and kids sizes will restock, but adult sizes, I'm not too sure about, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.